Hey, what's up everyone? It's Cassie from Jeep Gear and Gadgets. And again in this video, we are not installing rock lights. However, I am going to talk about a problem that translates beyond just Jeep owners. So this Jeep is a 2005 Jeep Wrangler and the plastic on it is 14 years old. That means it's been sitting out in the sun, in the rain, in the snow for 14 years. And you can see how the plastic on my fenders has started to fade. Now I've tried a couple of different products, the expensive ones and the cheap ones, and nothing seems to last more than a couple of months. So our friend told us a little trick about using peanut butter to restore the faded plastic. Now the theory behind this is that the oil in the peanut butter sinks into the pores of the plastic and brings out some of that shine. It also helps protect it from the sun and the rain and whatever else Mother Nature has going on. So why don't we try it out, and if it works, awesome. All right, so there's no crazy process to this. You go to the store and buy peanut butter, or you go to your cabinet and get your peanut butter. Now make sure you get creamy peanut butter, not crunchy, although I am a fan of crunchy peanut butter. So what you're gonna do is take a spoon of peanut butter, get a cloth, put some on, and then start rubbing it in. So you really can't use too much peanut butter. However, if you're allergic to peanut butter, you probably shouldn't be doing this project. Now I'm gonna finish putting peanut butter on this fender, let it sit for a few minutes, and then come back with a clean cloth and buff it out. Look at this night and day difference. You can really see in this before and after what the peanut butter does. Another method a lot of people like to use for restoring their old plastic is a heat gun. Now the problem with heat guns is that it actually draws the oil out of the plastic, and you can only do that so many times before it runs out, whereas the peanut butter puts oil back into the plastic. So I'm gonna go and do the other fender now, and then we're also gonna do some of this other plastic along the Jeep, along the mirrors, here along the windows. Let's get to it. I can't wait to see what it looks like after. Both fenders are done and they look way better than they did before. I mean, you can probably see it shining in this video. So I'm gonna move on to the windows, and this piece of plastic right here, you can tell this one's really faded too. So I'm excited to see what the peanut butter does. And just like that, we're done. That took maybe 15 minutes for me to do both the front fenders and the mirrors. The plastic looks almost new again. I mean, look at how much it's shining compared to what it was before. Now, the best part about this is that if this doesn't work, say in a week or two, and the plastic is completely back to how it was before, we're only out maybe 3 spoonfuls of peanut butter. Now, next we're gonna do a sniff test to see if Max, our favorite dog, can track down the peanut butter. Max, what is that? What is that? Oh, wow, really?
He doesn't smell it? Max, do you smell anything, dude? I guess the Jeep doesn't smell like peanut butter. That's good.
Max, come here. What is this?
You smell it?
Max, you smell the peanut butter?
Smell it? Nope. Well.
Oh.
Where is it? Where's the peanut butter? Where is it?
I guess it didn't smell good enough to distract him from the freedom of the front yard.
Do you smell it? Come here. Do you smell it? What do you smell it for?
Good boy.
That's good. It means
all right, so
smell like peanut butter.
Your dog isn't gonna jump all over your Jeep if you rub peanut butter on your fenders. And that's it for this video. We're gonna check back in on my next video and see if the peanut butter has held up. Why don't you go ahead and give it a shot and let me know how it works for you. Now, I've been smelling peanut butter for 10 to 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna go make myself a peanut butter sandwich. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.